Jesus, Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Jesus, Jesus.
Hallelujah.
If you are hungry, you show your hunger. That you are really hungry, really thirsty. Maybe you have been praying for the revivals. Actually, God said, I will do new things. I want to do new things. Maybe you have been praying old things, but He is saying that I will do new things. Through you, 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 through you. Hallelujah. I need this song in continuity, please. You can sing it with the rhythms, and then I will touch and anoint the people. Jesus Christ.
And say, God, you are worthy. You are worthy, God. You are worthy. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy. Come on, church, let's raise him up. Let's raise him up. You are worthy. Come on, let's raise him up. He is worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy, God.